Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we will be learning about Harakat or Fatha, Kasra and Damma. Sometimes people say that Harakat or vowels or movement. There are different names. So let's get started. So basically there are three types of Harakat or movements. The one is Fatha, Kasra and Damma. There is a diagonal line. If the line is above, it is Fatha. If it is below the line, it is Kasra. And if it is like wow shape, then it will called Damma. So this is how. Let's one thing keep in mind, it appears on the alphabet. So this is Ba. Okay. Now you observe that there are three. The first one in the first case, the Fatha, because it is above the line. This is Ba and there is Fatha. In the second, there is Kasra. And in the third one, there is Dhamma, the circle shaped or wow shaped. So when you are reading them, then you don't have to perform like Ba, no jar and no elongation, too much elongation. This is simple. Ba Fatha will be Ba and Ba Kasra will be B, and similarly Bu, Bu. The sound of Fatha A, and Kasra will be E, and Dhamma U. Okay, so let's dive into another example. So this is Ta. The first one is Ta Fatha. It will be Ta. The second Kasra, Ti, Ta, Ti, and the last one will be Tu. Ta, Ti, Tu. Read with me. Sa, Si, Su. Sa, Si, Su. The next Ja, Ji, Ju. And this is Ha, Ha, Hi, Hu. When you pronounce Ha, air is very smoothly coming out of your mouth. Ha, Hi, Hu. And this is Kha, Kha, Khi, Hu. Da, Di, Du. And this is Qa, Qaf, Qa, Qi, Qu. Let's read together. This is Khi. Now there's mixing of letter, so you have to watch carefully and read with me. This will be Lu. This is Gha, Su, Zi, Ya, Di, Ju, Si, Ka, Vi, Ha. There is difference between Ha and Ha. You can check out my other videos, and if you have any question, you can just comment. I will teach you. Fi, Mu, Shi, Ya, Ti, Ha. Now, I have pasted 6 examples, so it will be very clear to you. So the first one, there is 3 fathas. Wa, sa, qa. Waw fatha will be wa, sin fatha will be sa, and qaf will be qa. Wa, sa, qa. The next one is qadara. The next is khuliqa. And the next one is adala. Walada. Adala. So this is how Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma or movement or vowels, or you can say Harakat. So this is how you have to read these 3. So if you have any question, you can comment or you can directly DM me, or if you have learned something, you can just hit the subscribe button. This will help me to make more and more videos. So that's enough for this lecture. For if you want to learn the whole Noorani Qaida, then I have a playlist you can access.